Brenda.
And I'm Miss Tanya.
And today we're going to talk about measurements. I'm going to tell you about the traditional measurements, and we use different things for that. We use a yardstick, which is 3 feet long, but it also has 36 inches in it. We also use a regular ruler, and it is 12 inches long, or it equals to 1 foot. And it also has a measurement for centimeters in it. We also have another tool that we use. This tool they use in construction work, building houses and bridges and all kinds of neat things. This particular ruler is 12 feet long, and it has a lot of inches. It also has centimeters on it. And I'm going to show you how this works. We're going to measure the board today. We put it up there and measure down. This is 49 inches. 49 inches. That's very long. And now I'm going to let Miss Tanya tell you about non-traditional measurements.
Yes, there are many, many things that we can measure. Like right now it's Halloween. We could measure pumpkins across the porch. We could measure how many boys and girls go across the room. But today I want to talk about Izzy Inchworm, because our homework is going to be about measuring worms. So we're going to see how many inchworms it takes to get to the top of the tree to that apple. So he's inching his way up here, and along comes this other friend, and he says, I want that apple, and he's going to climb up there. We're just going to see how many it takes to get there and get the apple. There's another one, here's another one. And he's also kind of leaning on his friends like we do sometimes too. See, this shows how you work together to achieve something. And these inchworms, and finally, this one, well, that would make him too high, so we're not going to use that one. We're going to keep him down here. It took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 inchworms, and maybe, I don't know, maybe he could stretch, or I guess another one could come up there. And he could get the inchworm, or get the apple, and then he could share it with his friends. So, it took us 8 inchworms to get the apple. Like I said, there are many things. I mentioned pumpkins because tomorrow's Halloween. You could measure how many pumpkins would go across your front porch. Or you could measure how many girls and if they're taller, how many boys are taller. There's so many different things to explore while we're talking about our section of measurement. Thanks, class. You were very good today.
Thank you very much, and we hope that you have learned something about measuring.